you are new here, welcome. My name is Shay, and I am the host of this channel. If y'all do not know yet, I hope that anything that I am doing is helping you guys. So make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe down below. Let me know your thoughts on this tutorial and anything that you would like to see in the future. To my already subscribed, my family, how are y'all doing? Is the video content hitting home? Like, is it making sense for y'all? Are y'all trying out these things? If so, I would love to see what y'all are doing. Make sure that y'all tag me on my social media outlets at ShaySpectrum. And we might have to create like a hashtag so I can actually see what y'all are actually doing, right? Anyhow, we are gonna get in this video. Okay guys, this is freshly washed natural hair. Y'all know we love wash day like no other. It gets our curls back into all of this define and length, and it's not frizzy and all that. But today we are going to be doing something different. I am going to be doing a wash, stop, and go, but I am going to be using a different product in addition to one of the products that I use very often, which I'm sure y'all know what that is by now. Today I am going to be using the MIZANI Hairdress Coconut Souffle right there. I have not used this product before, but I do know a lot of people use MIZANI as far as like professionals go. I have not been to a professional hairdresser in a minute, so it might have changed, but I doubt it. I think this is one of their go-to brands in addition to like a design essentials, so on and so forth. So I am going to be using this in my wash, stop, and go. If you are wondering why I am saying wash, stop, and go and not wash and go, it's because we believe in the wash and the stop period of the go.
Yes.
Before we go anywhere, because we know that just going out of the house in a wash and go, we're gonna be looking rough. You hear me? There's not gonna be no products in our hair. We're gonna be literally straight out the shower and into the streets. And y'all know it's not gonna last. So to make sure that our wash and goes last, we implement a stop where we take time to moisturize our hair, put some styling products on our hair, maybe sit under the dryer, maybe air dry, and we get going. So let's start by sectioning this hair off into 4 quadrants. Y'all know I love my quadrants to apply product. I don't like applying product when my hair is just like this because I just feel like I can easily miss a spot or apply too much in one area and not the other. So let's section this off. Y'all, my hair is so soft. It feels so good. Section right here. It's still a little damp, which is good. I'm going to start by combing through for the last time, very gently. Start by applying this much of the MIZANI Coconut Souffle. This product does say that it is light moisturizing, so I hope that this gives my hair the moisturizing effect that it needs, that I find in a lot of other products. I would say that this product is pretty thick, And hopefully that's a good thing because I know my hair sucks up moisture when there's some there. After applying that, I'm gonna comb through once again. And then I'm going to apply my favorite Wetline Xtreme gel. This one little thing is and then I'm going to do the raking method followed by the praying hands. I'm gonna do that to the rest of this section and I'll let y'all watch that and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I have gone through 3/4 of my hair. I have 1/4 left that I'm going to get through now. Because it got a little bit more dry since I did the other sides first. Okay guys, that is the final add of product. The next thing that I'm gonna do is lay my baby hairs, and then after that I am going to sit under the dryer. I will let y'all watch that process since y'all have seen it so many times. But of course, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I had no idea this product was gonna pop like this. Y'all, this is the final look of the MIZANI Coconut Souffle product, and oh my goodness. Y'all, I had no idea that this product was gonna work like this. I was thinking, I honestly had no high expectations on this product. I was figuring, oh, it's not necessarily a natural product. It's not necessarily a curl product or a styler product. And I thought that this was absolutely going to fail. And y'all, the results are so real. I was even able to stretch my hair using this product in partnership with the Wetline Xtreme Gel. And y'all, my hair has so much volume, and it maintained, or it gave me some more length in my stretch method. If y'all would like to see that video, I'll link it down below. Y'all, I am mind blown. I am at a loss for words because, like I said, I didn't have high expectations for this product. I could barely feel that there was anything on my hair. Like I said, it is supposed to be a light moisturizing hair dress, and it feels so, like, I don't feel like I have anything in my hair yet. When I was stretching my hair, I got moisture on my hands from the product, and that just tells me that this is a really good moisturizer, that it can maintain the moisture in my hair, but also allow me to style in a natural style and to stretch my hair and still maintain moisture. Huge, huge. And so I am such a believer of, you can use so many different products regardless what they say they are for. If they are an effective product, you can use it for what you see fit for it. So just like I use this hair dress as a moisturizer for my wash, stop, and go situation. Like, y'all, I am so shook. I am at a loss for words. Like, seriously, my curls look so defined. Everything feels really light. I don't feel like there's any heavy product on my hair. And granted, I do have frizz, but y'all know I have a little frizz, but y'all know I like the frizz. Like, I don't mind the frizz, okay? Because it just gives my hair more volume. And I love that, but oh, it looks so good, and it held so good. This is day 2 of this wash, stop, and go, and honestly, it's at the end of day 2. I wore it for some time, doing some activities today, and came back with y'all, and it has literally stayed put. Like, my curls are still thriving and doing their best, and my ends are moisturized. And it just everywhere, like, it just looks so good. So y'all go try this product, see if it works in your wash and go. Let me know your feedback from it. Let me know what you think about this video. And as always, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you are new here. Make sure that you share if you are a returning subscriber, and leave me some feedback down below on what else y'all want to see. I love y'all so much, and I hope y'all have an amazing day and an amazing weekend. And yeah, until my next video, I'll see y'all next time, guys. Bye.